latest project that we paint corrected and coated. It's a 2019 Corolla. Cool little car. Color definitely pops. Can't wait to get it out in the sun and check it out. It's super high gloss, and I really think once we get it in the sun, the gold metallic that's in it will really pop out of it. But the car is fully coated, exterior glass and paint. Be super easy to clean now. Rinse. Apply soap with a foam cannon, let it sit for a minute, rinse it off, blow it dry. Don't touch, don't scratch. Something you're interested in doing in your car? Give us a call, 336-570-9790. So just want to show an example of the clarity with paint correction. So this area has been paint corrected, and you can see the light reflection in the background right there. Then you go up to this part and you can see how undefined the reflection is in these areas that have not been corrected.